Hi guys, this is the watermelon sugar baby that we sowed from seed in a previous video. This was a very early sowing. I shouldn't be sowing these until now, but this was an experiment to see how they go. They seem perfectly fine at the moment. Getting a bit big for underneath the grow lights, so I don't know what I'm going to do with them once they get much bigger. But as I say, this is an experiment, so same with the chili peppers. They're doing well. They've all come into flower now. I have been putting off the flowers, but I gave up and just decided to let them do what they want to do. So this one hasn't been topped. As you can see, it's grown alright actually, so it doesn't make too much difference. This one was topped, and it's got more branches, but it's a lot smaller. It's still got some flowers on it. And this one again wasn't topped. He's doing well. They're a bit floppy, obviously. If they were outside, they would be strengthening up. The wind would be blowing them, so the stalks would get stronger. But they're indoors, so these are tomatoes, which we sown in a previous video as well. So sorry. If you want to see that, go back through my videos. I'll put a card at the top for the sown tomatoes video. So these ones are Roma VF. We got 7 out of 8, so that's really good. And these ones are Costelluto Fiorentino. And we got 7 out of that one as well. So 7 out of 8 in both of them. That's not too bad. 14 out of 16. And yeah, they're doing well, so we'll be potting them up soon. About now is a good time to do it, just as they're getting their first true leaves. That's the perfect time to be repotting these, so I'll be doing that soon. Right, so I'm going to take you out into the garden now, and I'll show you what we've got in the greenhouse. Alright everyone, so we're outside now. This is my little greenhouse. The wind's ripped the cover off and I've had to patch it up. And I'm heating it with a terracotta pot with a candle underneath. So I'll show you what we've got in here. So we've got onions, Bedfordshire Champion. These are cabbage, Golden Acre. That will need pricking out soon. Lettuce all year round. Again, I'll have to prick these out. And these are Brussels sprouts, fill basket. That's the variety. And there's some more onions here. These are the ones which had an accident. The cat knocked them off the side. They were a previous sowing. Just some flowers, daisies, and that we're planning on growing. The wife planted them. There's thyme, which has been eaten by something. That's nothing. There's dill, parsley, and sage. They will need pricking out as well. The problem is I don't know where I'll put them. And these are all sunflowers that we've put in here. They'll come up when it's warm enough, hopefully. And some more flowers sown in that little trough there. So yeah, that's it at the moment. It's getting quite full in there, so I might need a bigger one. I'm going to show you the fruit bushes and strawberries and stuff, the fruit area in a minute. Alright guys, so this is my potted fruit area, for now anyway, until I move these somewhere else. So in here is strawberries. Hanoi is the variety. So they're all doing well. They've been netted to stop the cats and stuff getting in here. This is a currant bush, and it's doing well. It's starting to come into leaf now. It's got lots of buds on it and new growth, so it's doing well. All the sticks and stuff around the base of all these are my attempt to stop the cats getting in there. It works a little bit. This cutting, I found out what it is. It's actually a fig tree cutting. It was taken last year. So that is doing really well. This one here is a grapevine. Chardonnay white is the variety of this one. It looks dead at the moment, but it's definitely alive because it's got green underneath the bark there. I don't know if you can see where I've just scraped a little bit off because I was getting worried about it. But it's green underneath, so it's still alive. Over the back there, the middle one, these are all just to stop the cat. That's a raspberry cane. No signs of life from that yet. That was bought this year. This here is my rhubarb crown, which I bought this year. Victoria is the variety of this one. It's in a 30-litre pot. Something's had a little nibble of some of the leaves, but it's fine. These cuttings in here, again, these are figs. You can see they're coming to bud. And this one here has new leaves coming out on it. This one here's got buds on as well. That's a stick. That's just a stick to stop the cats. Another currant bush here. It's all come to leaf now as well. Plenty of buds. This is... Oh, sorry, my wire got tangled on something then. This is raspberry cane here as well. This one I bought last year. And I'm not sure what type it is, but I'm hoping, because we didn't get any fruit last year on the growth, I'm hoping this year we'll get some fruit. So I'm hoping it's an autumn, I think it's an autumn variety that fruits on old growth. It's got a new shoot coming up here, if you can see that. So that's doing well. This here's a gooseberry bush. That's doing well as well. Lots of leaves and buds on it. And the rose bushes in the back there, which we bought this year. Temporary pots at the moment, so we find somewhere for them. These two are the currants which I bought this year. They're doing well. They're only small, so I won't get any fruit this year. But next year they should, hopefully. All these pots is just dahlia tubers that the wife's planted. We're going to grow some nice flowers this year. So I'm going to take you over. There's not much going on the actual veg plot, but I'll show you anyway. So I'll take you over there in a minute. Alright guys, so this is my veg plot. So this is my slate raised bed, which I made in the previous video. You can go check that out if you want. And this is all horse manure. I've just turned it over lightly because it was quite soggy. So I'm trying to dry it out by turning it every now and then. I'm going to put some compost on top of it soon. These are just garlic planted down here. Shop bought garlic, so I'm not expecting too much from it, but there you go. This is going to be the second bed when I get around to finishing it. I've done one end. I had a little fire here the other day, just burning some ivy and twigs and stuff. All the bluebells are gone, and that there, if you can see, is some more garlic which I've planted in here. Just to see how it goes, you know. This actually seems to be doing quite well here. Maybe I should have planted it all here. I've got seed pods here from the bluebells. Snowdrops, not bluebells. So, alright, so that's it for the veg plot, guys. So, not a lot going on yet. Got to get some carrots sown soon and some potatoes in. So, anyway, it's been lovely. We've had some lovely weather. Last few days it's been glorious sunshine. A bit chilly in the wind, but it's lovely. So, anyway guys, from a lovely sunny mid-Wales, I'll see you later, and I'll catch you on the next episode. Hope you're all well. See ya.